Alright, so what's going on YouTube? So today's video is going to be another install of switching your shifter knob, whatever, to a brand new, well, new to me, but a new one. So like as you guys can tell, I don't know if you saw my last videos, I got this red stitching, the ZL1 style steering wheel, and I just wanted to, I found this on Amazon for like 60 bucks, and just to switch it so we can match and stuff. So it's a little mod for you guys, but yeah, it should be simple. I think all there is just putting there's like a cover right here, and then there's a little T20 like a torque screw. Then take it out and then I think you just pull it out. I hope, unless I'm gonna break this, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna try and see you guys, show you how it looks after, you know, because little visual mod for me, you know. All right, cool. So let's get into it. First thing I think you gotta do is put your brake up so your car won't roll. Then you gotta put it all the way to manual mode, or yeah, this is for automatic in case you guys can't tell. And then you just gotta take off this cover, and then there's a torque screw, and then you just pull this bitch out. And I think that's all I should do. So I'm gonna try right now. All right. The way I did it was I got the screwdriver, and I just popped it off. And then as you guys can tell in there, if you guys see, right there, there's a little torque screw. You gotta just torque it out, get it out, and then I think that should be it, and then just pull it out. All right, so let's see what's up. I hope now I could just pull this up. Just pull it out now. So, oh shit, that was easy. Okay, all right, cool. That was easy, guys. And then all you gotta do now is just put it back in, and you'll be done. It's like a 10, probably not even a 10-minute install. Really easy. And yeah, I'll show you guys how it is. Just put the torque screw in and the cover, and then you should be done. All right. So I'll show you guys how it is when it's all done. Damn, guys. All right, cool. So that's it. It works perfect. Make sure you just press the brake. Make sure it works. Okay. All right, cool. And yeah, that's it, guys. Really easy to install. It took me 10 minutes, or I think I started like 10 minutes, yeah, like 10 minutes ago, and really easy. You can have a spare one, you can sell it or keep it. But yeah, thanks guys for watching another video, and like and subscribe. Thanks for showing me love, guys. All right, later.